leisure travel van. I've never seen that before. It's by Leisure. Wonder. Leisure Wonder. And it's already sold. Nice. Let's take a look inside. It's on a Ford chassis. No slide outs. Swivel chairs. Kind of remind me of the Tiffin Wayfair, where they have this seats right in the front next to the cab. An L-shaped kitchen with a nice deep circular basin. 2-burner stove. Lots of cabinets up top. Very European style. And if you wanted to, you could drop down this and extend your kitchen counter space even more if nobody's sitting there. And if not, you can lift it up and lock it into place. That's I like. All right, the TV up here, a microwave. Let's see how this opens. A freezer. You can say this is a propane. It's a 3-way by Dometic. Nice size refrigerator, freezer. Then you have your pantry up here. Then we move to the back, which opens up into a living room, a sectional. Very nice. This is definitely like the Tiffin Wayfarer that I covered yesterday. Very, very similar. I just uploaded the video. You can go to my channel and watch it. But it's definitely the same. I don't know who copied who. Lots of storage. Cabinets on top. Hanging closet here. Drawers. Nice circular door, which is your bathroom with a cabinet and another cabinet, I think, or maybe, oh yeah. Oh, sweet, this is the mirror. And if you don't want to use the mirror and you want to use natural light, you could bring it in. Very nice, I like that feature. Some cubbies here. And a corner sink. Very nice. I really dig that. And where's the shower? The shower is right across behind this door. Nice. Skylight. Very nice hardware. Looks great. More cubbies here in the corner above the TV. More storage underneath the TV. Privacy shades that go all the way down, more windows. And the good thing is, all right, so I know this from Wayfair. All you have to do is bring down these back cushions and then release the Murphy bed, and that comes down here and you have
a full-size bed. And right by the entrance, there's a central control panel from where you can control everything in this coach.